I'm filming a brief taste test to let you know how honeyberries taste like if you've never tried them. I haven't tried them many times either. This is not the first year we have them in the garden, but the first year we're getting a few of them to properly taste them. So I had a few earlier, and they are sweet and tart and sour a little bit. So it's a very interesting flavor. They're not similar to blueberries. I mean, in a way they are, but not quite. They're a bit more sour. They have very, very delicious flavor. Now, I'm not quite sure how else to describe them. The best is to try them for yourself. But yeah, definitely a great berry to have in the garden.